Welcome. In this video I will show you how to delete temporary files on Windows 10. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then in Settings, select System and then scroll all the way down to Storage. Once you find Storage, open it and then select Temporary Files. Wait until Windows scans for all the temporary files stored on your computer, and once this process is finished, you'll be able to select which kind of temporary files you want to delete. So, for example, the temporary files themselves. You can also delete downloads folder, Windows Update Cleanup, thumbnails, and a bunch of different things on your computer. So just select the ones that you want to delete from your computer and then select Remove Files. After that, just wait for the process to finish. And once the temporary files cleanup is finished, you'll be notified like this. And that's it. That's how you clean temporary files on your Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.